This is a quick little video on putting together an employee training plan for commercial cleaning, janitorial services, and carpet cleaning. This can really apply to any cleaning service. And the goal here is to create an employee training plan. Now we can have short-term plans and long-term plans. In this video, we're just going to focus on the short term. How many weeks do we need? And this is going to depend on the type of employee. Once you start talking about vans and driving, that's a whole nother ball game and can take months and months longer versus a office cleaning person. Maybe in that case, 3 months is more than enough. So this is just an example to kind of lay everything out and structure it. And what we're going to do is start off with week 1 of the job description, and then who's the training manager. Maybe you have a trainer specifically, or you're still doing it yourself. And then the status of it and any comments. Throughout different training, employees will have questions or comments, and we want to keep track of that, especially long term, to see if we're running into the same questions over and over and over again. Maybe we can jump in front of it. And then we have an employee manual, and to go over the manual with the new staff so they know what our job rules are, our company rules. That's more of what the employee manual is a handbook on explaining all of our company rules. Your alarms and your keys, equipment, van maintenance, how to deal with customers. This is a big deal if you have a day porter, or you're doing commercial carpet or tile cleaning and going to apartments or where there's customers around. Often in cleaning, it's done at night, so this isn't always a huge issue. But when we do deal with people working late at night, we want to have a process in place on how they deal with them, because that can completely destroy an account. Safety, sales training, this is more geared towards the specialty services when your staff is out there in the field. Maybe you want to give them some training on how to upsell different services. Customer service, our appearance, uniform, badges, that kind of stuff. Any kind of software that you use, technical training that they may need long term. And some employees may want to learn tile and grout and become a specialist, or they really like VCT and stripping and waxing. So that's something we want to know, so we can then start to train them on those hyper technical details. So this is just a quick little employee training plan, and this will change obviously for every company, every service, but this kind of gives you the structure. And my name is Shane Dubell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. You can go to our website and see a sample commercial cleaning employee handbook. And we also have a full employee management package that you can purchase that has all of this stuff and much, much more.